Hello, this is Miss Murphy. I wanted to make a screencast to show parents how to get onto Clever if you were having trouble with that. So as of right now, as far as I know, we're going to use Clever, and then from Clever, you'll go into Google Classroom, and that's where I'll post assignments. That's last I heard. I don't know if that's, but to get onto Clever, I'm doing this on my laptop, but you could download the Clever app on, like, if you have a tablet or whatever. But you could also just type in Clever at the top. So in the top right, you're going to see login as a student, teacher, school admin. You're going to click login as a student. And then you're going to click log in with Google. So if you do not have your child's Google email and password, if you email me, I can send you their login and password. And then to get to Google Classroom from here, you are going to scroll down. They have favorites, Mayan, yada yada. You keep scrolling, and then it says links for the district, and then Google Classroom is right there. And this is mine. And yeah. So I hope that helps. And if you need anything, please reach out.